It all started in 2005 when three friends had the idea, why don't we create a platform where people can share videos online? At that time, this was just a simple thought. The friends envisioned a small site where they could share old home videos, maybe get a few laughs from friends. But this site would go on to become the largest video sharing platform in history, YouTube. In the early days of YouTube, everyone was asking, who's going to watch these videos? People uploading videos thought only a few friends would see them, but soon they realized the platform's potential for growth. And when the first viral videos emerged, everything changed. You upload a cat video, and by the next morning, millions of people have watched it. Wait, what just happened? Suddenly, you find yourself an internet sensation. So, how did the economic side of this happen? When YouTube opened the doors for content creators to make money, no one expected such a massive transformation. At first, people uploaded videos just for fun. But over time, YouTube became a giant platform in the advertising world. People started earning income by striking deals with brands, promoting products through videos that reached millions. The concept of ad revenue entered our lives. YouTube began placing ads before, during, and after videos and sharing a portion of that revenue with content creators. That's when things really changed. Wait, I'm going to make money from people watching my videos. This was a game changer for content creators. It sounds like a joke, but the secret to success lies right there. There are several reasons why YouTube is such a profitable platform. First, you're reaching a massive audience. People from all over the world can watch your videos as long as they have an internet connection. No boundaries, no restrictions. And then there are the brands eager to reach this vast audience. They're willing to pay content creators substantial amounts to promote their products. Second, there's the ad revenue YouTube offers. Every view, every click brings you money. Of course, the amount varies with each video, but with a popular video, you can earn serious cash. Third, there are sponsorship deals. You've probably heard this video is sponsored by Often. These deals put significant money in content creators' pockets. Brands see YouTube as the most effective platform to reach their target audience. And the best part is, it's a win-win. You make money, and the brand gains exposure. YouTube isn't just a video sharing platform. It's an ecosystem where content creators turn their dreams into reality and earn big bucks. So, YouTube is basically a gold mine. By sharing your talents, interests, and ideas, you can quickly become popular and make serious money. That's why YouTube has become the biggest money-making machine in the digital world. If you're thinking, I need to be part of this, then grab your camera, start creating content, and claim your spot in the vast world of YouTube. Remember, one video can change the world, or at least fill your wallet.